Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my returning viewers and a warm welcome to my new viewers. So guys, we have some good news and some bad news. Well, the good news is, as you can see, the river come back down. We had two hard showers of rain on Thursday and Friday. So we have water in the river again, and also happy getting ready to bring in the cows, just only to come and find out that a tree has been brought down right at the line side where the fence supposed to run. So that's the bad news. This is the tree. This is a hog plum tree. So it break down right in the line where the fence should run. As you can see the wire there. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to use the chainsaw to cut up this big, huge, giant hog plum tree. You see how big, guys? But anyways, I'm not gonna let this tree stop me from bringing in the cows. So I'll still bring in the cows. I will find a way to work around this in the meantime, so we can bring in the cows so them can have water for drink anytime they want and can drink as much water as they want. So so this is the bad news, guys. The tree the tree breakdown. I was just at the top. I was just up at the top planting um, two grow sticks, aka never die. I plant one already, and something just said to me, "Come down at the bottom and look what's going on." And this is what I found: this huge giant tree. So you must know it's a hard breeze it took to take down this tree. So we got a lot of cutting up to do with the chainsaw. This is what the hog plums look like, guys. But them one year they not good. Them full of worm. It's a nice evening. It's dry. No rain. The sun is out, as you can see in the sky. It's clear and pretty. So when I think that I was getting done, then this tree came down and gave me more work. So guys, when me think me done with wasp, here is more wasp nest that me never see. Oh, that is one. That is another one. And, and that one up there is another one. So may have three more wasp nests to come spray. So like, damn. We see one more, guys. right up here. So there the river is flowing, guys. And if we can pass and then what's here not bite me. Okay. Now go try go closer, guys. Okay, luckily me pass the wasp them safe and sound. I just the other day me clean out another center, guys, so we can run the wire through the middle of the bamboo tree right there and come along. We can't get you across the river to go show you because not even if me have a water boat I could have go across. But right along over there has been cleaned, ready to be wired. We have the wire and all of that.